It's a weekend vlog. Come spend the day with us. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I am your host, Kimberly. In today's video, we are starting off by going to the Y. Our little man, which is our grandson, he is playing basketball for the summer. He's a little shy about it, but we are excited to have him active and just socializing with people or kids of his age. So this is how our morning started. That's his dad out there with him as well. I think this is so adorable to see 3 and 4-year-olds start off a sports. And actually, all of my boys started off this way. So just to see my grandson doing the same thing that my sons did brings me so much joy. So back to my son's place, we wanted to install these beautiful solar string lights, which are 46 feet of outdoor waterproof patio LED lights by Partphoner. Now, Partphoner is sponsoring this portion of the video. We are installing these LED lights on his gazebo. So easy to do. Now this gazebo has 2 rods, one for curtains, well both for curtains, but we took one of the curtain sets down to hang the lights on the gazebo. These lights do have hooks on them, which makes them so much easier to install. Now my hubby is always there to assist in helping me. Thank you, hubby. I know my son and I appreciate him so much for all that he does for his family. So as my hubby and I hang these or install these lights, let me tell you a little bit about them. Again, this is 46 feet of LED string lights. They are top quality outdoor solar lights. The entire molded socket and integrated ring are made of a strong rubber. It is equipped with 28 clear G40 LED bulbs. Each bulb is 1.3 feet apart for a total length, like I said before, of 46 feet. The string lights is very safe to use. Each string has been professionally tested. It definitely is a lower voltage, safe, reliable, and all season. Very suitable for outdoor use and provides you with the bright and warm atmosphere. Now my son's gazebo is a 10 by 12 gazebo in size, and one set of string lights did the job. Perfect fit for it. See how easy it is to install these lights. It just takes a few minutes. With the 2-hook design, it can be super easy to hang these lights from, like we're doing here on the gazebo, a porch, a balcony, a patio, your decks, party tents, your courtyard, a cafe, garden, pergola. I can go on and on. It will definitely provide soft ambiance lighting at night. Now, what I love about these, they're all weather and shatterproof. These patio lights can withstand terrible weather like we have here in Florida. Rain, snow, windstorm. They are made of high quality durable ABS plastic material, which effectively prevents the string lights from broken or water seepage and will keep it stylish looking for years to come. Now that the lights are installed, let's get the solar panel installed as well. So easy to do. You simply attach the bracket in place where you will get the most sunlight. And then place the solar panel on the bracket. Plug the string lights and the solar panel together and you are good to go. These outdoor lights can work up to 10 to 12 hours after a 6 to 8 hours of charging. They will auto charge in the daylight and auto work in the dark. You will have no extra utility electric costs and no need to replace batteries. And that is a plus. In the back of this panel, the solar panel, you have an on and off and a mode button. The mode button gives you 4 alternative modes to satisfy your diverse needs. By pressing the button, you will get a quick flash, a steady light, slow flash, or pulsating light. These LED lights give off a perfect soft warm glow, creating a relaxing romantic atmosphere. Designed to smooth you in every mood, it makes you feel warm and relaxed after exhausting work all day. Information about Partphoner and these beautiful LED string lights will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family members. Special thanks to Partphoner for the opportunity to share these amazing lights with you. Next, we took a trip to Sam's. We spotted these extra large deck boxes on sale in Sam's Club for $159.98 or 99 cents. So we picked up 2 along with some other items that we needed. Now, I do not leave my cushions on my outdoor furniture. I always store them. I don't leave them out because I think they will last longer put away. So these deck boxes were much needed and took no time at all to assemble. Hubby had both of these boxes put together in less than 30 minutes. Easy to assemble. I love sharing the process of assembling pieces because it shows that it takes nothing to do, all right? Not hard, and that's what I love. They just simply snap into place, each piece. And here they are, all assembled and in place. I absolutely love this storage. And this is how it looks inside. I have so many cushions and pillows, but everything fits in these extra large deck boxes. Much needed at my home. I also have entertainment items in the second deck box as well. So this is a shot of my screened in area of my back patio. We just finished entertaining family and I forgot to turn on my camera, so I am so sorry. But I was cleaning up and I'm like, oh my goodness, I forgot to turn the camera on. So I'm just giving you a shot of everything as it is. This table to the right, someone moved it on me, but that's okay. Just want to share with you the real life, and this is how my patio looks right now, with all of the pillows, some accessories. As you can see, I am still loving the black and white. I have been doing black and white in my outdoor living space for I think a year or two, so I'm still loving it. I'm just loving adding different accessories to the already theme. You don't have to always go out and buy new accessories, new everything each and every year. Add to what you already have. Make it more beautiful is what I love to do. And to change things up a bit, you can rearrange your outdoor furniture as well as your indoor furniture. We have a large immediate family, as well as when my entire family comes over. This space gives us room to sit around and talk, have fun, play games. Everyone has a space to enjoy. And I still have my Florida room to share with you, so stay tuned. Well, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.